So the collaboration with ExcelR was an excellent one. We conducted a Power BI workshop with Advanced Excel.
The trainer, Mr. Karthik, was an excellent person.
It was a great experience attending the workshop.
I would absolutely love it if ExcelR and its team would come again to our campus and conduct more events like this.
The experience with ExcelR was very smooth.
It was a great course and it started from basics and took me to a great extent.